Hey, it's me, Gareth. Let me turn this way. Today we are at Fort Zachary Taylor State Park, I think, or State Beach in Key West, Florida. There's a guy setting up camera equipment there. And that says no motorized vehicles. So the beach, greetings in the Gulf of America. The beach is over that way. We'll get there in a minute. I want to go this way. Our goal here is to watch the sunset. So it's about 2.5 hours from now. Let's see if there's a ship over there. Thought maybe I could see the fort. The fort is closed. Not going to go into fort. Closed before we got here. Of course, we spent the day in Key West, so walking around, doing different things. No water features. So there, I guess you can go in, and here there's the fort, such as it is. Like I said, I'm sorry we're not going to be able to walk through the fort. That's it off in the distance. Flying the American flag. It's got like a new building beside it, or back of it. It's not a very big fort, but of course forts in those days were not very big, I don't think. Of course the cruise ship is there, and then the city is over there, Key West. I'm not going to walk through that grass. There's a warning sign. I don't know what's warning me against. I can't read it. But there it is. So we're back to the Gulf of America. I forgot to tell you the fort was built in 1845. So there's the beach up ahead. So we're going to go over there. This is part of the Great Florida Birding Trail. Fort View Nature Trail. Not sure how far I gotta come up here to get to the fort. Nice trail though. Maybe it's a little rocky, but I have shoes on together. The path I'm on dead-ended into another path. And there's the fort right there. There's the flag we saw. Fort View Nature Trail. But there's the walls of the fort and the moat. Notice it's got a moat around it. Like the Rock of Gibraltar. Hey, 8 to 5.
How many iguanas?
Iguanas? Oh yeah. All over the place.
All over the place.
They eat them. See all the iguanas? See the fort? See the pile of cannonballs there? I've seen these people elsewhere. Anyway, we're going to take off. No bikes. This will be up near where we came in. You know, the ranger station, as they call it. Here's a little bit about Zachary Taylor, one of 3 Civil War era forts built in Key West. Closed for cleaning. So that's the bathrooms. Oh, there's a diagram. I'm guessing we walked up there. And here's a cannon. One of the big guns. Please stay off the cannon. So we're going to cut through the parking lots. To that opening right there. I'm guessing that's a universal symbol for beach. And at least the approach to the beach is very shady. It's really hot and humid. I mean, I'm guessing in the summer it gets more hot and humid. But being from Southern California, this is hot and humid. Got a green flag today. Picnic tables, hammocks. I don't know if they come with the beach. I don't think people would bring those, but what do I know? Supposedly there's a bathroom around here somewhere. Well, so right there is the end of the beach. Or the end of the public part of the beach. See the fence and the warning signs? There is a Navy base next door. So it's a nice looking beach anyway. Keep from getting my shoes wet. I think my group is way down at the end. I guess that's beach chair rentals and umbrella rentals. Huh. Water seems clear though. So this is the bathroom. They have locker rentals there. That was the concession stand. Food. I noticed they had beer. I think they had wine too. So I'm going to head back up the beach. Going off this way. Like I said, I think my group is over here somewhere. Not too crowded, especially up here. I wish those clouds would come over here. There's Ashley and Austin right there. I don't see their parents though. Oh, there's Christina. Saw them first. Jesse. Where are the towels?
Right where the path is? Your wife is there.
Hey, there they are. Of course, not that they weren't with our group. Oh, here's Janet, the one you've all waited for. And our car is parked right there. In fact, I see our car. The white Toyota Sienna. Anyway.